The backlash after President Trump's victory. The House voting to repeal and replace Obamacare. And this photo out today of the president and his staff watching the moment the House bill was passed. But across the country tonight, Americans, some with pre-existing conditions, now asking, what about them? And this evening, what happens when lawmakers are asked, did they read the bill before they voted on it? ABC's Mary Bruce on Capitol Hill.
For House Republicans tonight, their health care vote is hitting home.
He lied, but we won't let our people die.
In New York, voters protesting in the rain. And in Michigan,
ACA is the way.
Still, the president today basking in the glow of his first health care victory. The White House tweeting this photo of aides cheering the moment the bill passed. But Trump's comments soon after to Australia's prime minister now raising eyebrows.
We have a failing health care. I shouldn't say this to our great gentleman and my friend from Australia, because you have better health care than we do.
Australia has publicly funded universal health care, the kind of plan Hillary Clinton and Bernie Sanders long pushed for.
Thank you, Mr. President. We'll quote you on the floor of the Senate.
Today, Trump on defense, tweeting, of course the Australians have better health care than we do. Everybody does. Obamacare is dead. As the dust settles on Capitol Hill, growing concern the process was rushed.
I just got back from baseball practice.
Do you wish you had more time?
No, I'm ready to go.
This was Representative Chris Collins ahead of the big vote. You had a chance to read the full latest version that's posted?
Oh, sure. We're comfortable that everyone's had a chance to absolutely scrutinize and read through this bill.
But hours later...
Did you actually sit down and read the entire bill plus all of the amendments?
I will fully admit, Wolf, I did not.
Something lawmakers might have missed, a last-minute addition that could affect millions of Americans who get health insurance through their employers, about half the country. Right now, there's a limit to how much they pay out of pocket for coverage. But under the House bill, that limit could go away and their costs could soar.
Now we'll go to work on a Senate bill.
The Senate is already eyeing changes to the House's plan to cut funding for Medicaid, hitting poor and disabled Americans. And their move to allow states to opt out of the provision preventing insurance companies from charging more for people with pre-existing conditions. On Twitter, the hashtag #IamAPre-existing-condition taking off. People worried the bill may limit their coverage. Like Catherine Dyer, a breast cancer survivor with epilepsy. Her photo retweeted more than 3,000 times.
And Mary Bruce with us live from Capitol Hill tonight. And Mary, the Congressional Budget Office scored an early version of the bill and determined 24 million more Americans would be uninsured in 10 years. But this final House bill has not been scored yet. When do we know how many fewer could be covered with this?
David, that new report could be released as early as Monday, and Senate Republicans are eager to see those new numbers, but they've already made clear they plan to start from scratch. David.
Mary Bruce tonight, thank you.